Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A table is a container that allows you to present data in an orderly arrangement. A table starts with the basic structure of a square with 4 borders. Inside the table are intersecting columns, which are vertical, and rows, which are horizontal, that create cells. Each cell has 4 borders and can store text, images, and other data. Table and cell borders can be made to be visible or invisible. It is now considered bad form to use tables to set the structure of your web page and should therefore be used to list data only. The basic components of HTML tables are the table open and close tag, which defines the table as a whole, the table row open and close tag, which defines each table row, and the table data open and close tag, which define the table data or cell content. Before you begin to add coding to create your first table, you should have an idea of what you want your end result to look like. Take out a piece of paper and a writing instrument to draw a rough sketch of your table. Lay out where you want to place your elements and data, as this will save a great deal of time when you actually begin to enter the code. To add a table to your web page, start by placing the table start tag where you want the table to appear. Next, you will need to define your table rows and the data contained in the cells. Keep your row and data tags on their own unique lines. This will make it easier to read your HTML code and to make future changes. Add a row by typing the table row start tag. On the next line, create your first cell by using the table data open and close tags around the data to be contained in that cell. Repeat the data tags on a new line for each cell in that row. When you are done with the row, insert the table row end tag. Repeat the process to add additional rows, and when you are done with your table, finish with the table close end tag. This example shows the table open tag, the table row open tag, each cell of data with the open and close tags surrounding the data, the table row close tag, our second table row open tag, and the data contained in each cell, the second table row end tag, and the whole table end tag, which will have your web browser display your data in rows and cells.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.